Hello everyone, this is Pacer Bryant with Electra Sales here in Irving, Texas. Today we want to talk a little bit about something we're very excited about, Intermatic's Contractor Box. Now we can save you more time, get you back on track and off to the next project by using the UL approved Intermatic Contractor Box. What your normal contractor would do when he comes in, he has to buy an enclosure, a time clock, contactors, he has to get out in the field, he has to install off that enclosure and before he can even mount it. So a lot of wiring, a lot of time wasted. This here will save them a ton of time. It's a UL approved NEMA 3R enclosure. Would come in a 3-pole, a 4-pole, an 8-pole, and a 12-pole. You've got your sizes here. That's a good limitation that if you've got a space that's much smaller, a lot of the enclosures you're installing them in are going to be oversized. This is going to limit that space so you don't have to worry about that. As you see here, you have a 7-day astronomic time clock. You've got your contacts, everything's pre-wired. So all you have to do is bring in your line and load and you're good to go. So if you're looking for one of these, please reach out to your local Electra Sales rep and we'll be happy to help you.